Welcome back to Learnerpreneur. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok notifications. Go ahead and open up TikTok. You will of course be on your home tab. Go to the bottom furthest right-hand side tab where it says Me. This is your profile tab, and open it up. You'll come to a page that looks like this. On the top right-hand side of this page, you'll see those three black vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to your settings and privacy page. In the second section down, you can see it says General. Directly underneath that, it says Push Notifications. Go ahead and click on Push Notifications. And now you can customize which notifications you would like to receive from TikTok. If you would like to stop all notifications, just make sure that all of these bars are grayed out. If you'd like to turn them on, go ahead and click like so. And you can choose all or just some of the notification types to turn on, including likes, comments, new followers, and so on. After you've turned them all off and you've stopped all notifications, go ahead and back out with the top left-hand side arrow. Back out once again, and you can go ahead and click on your home tab, bottom left-hand side, to return to where you were. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give a like and smash that subscribe button for more videos like it. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Take care.